When can you print your boarding pass at home?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about a common question travelers often have. How far in advance can I print my boarding pass at home? With online check-in and home printing options becoming increasingly prevalent, it's a handy piece of information to have for anyone planning a trip.
Why should you print your boarding pass at home?
The first thing to understand is why you might want to print your boarding pass at home. Well, it can save you a lot of time at the airport, especially during busy travel times. Rather than waiting in line to check in at the airline counter or self-service kiosks, you can simply head straight to security and then to your departure gate.
When can you print your boarding pass?
The answer to our main question, how far in advance can you print your boarding pass, largely depends on the individual airline's policy. However, in general, most airlines allow passengers to check in online and print their boarding passes 24 hours before the scheduled departure time of the flight. Remember that you'll need to complete this process typically at least 1 hour before the flight, as airlines close their online check-in then.
What do you need to print your boarding pass?
Printing your boarding pass at home is generally a straightforward process. You'll need your airline's check-in webpage or app, your booking reference, and a printer. After completing the check-in process online, you'll have an option to print your boarding pass. In summary, while the exact timing can vary based on the airline, you can typically print your boarding pass at home 24 hours before your flight's departure. It's an easy process that can save you a lot of time at the airport. Always remember to check your airline's specific policies regarding online check-in and printing of boarding passes. Thanks for watching and safe travels.